Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler, and I have got Plumbata, or more accurately in this case, Ferrata. We'll come to that. So Plumbata were Roman throwing darts, so sort of about 200 AD onwards really. And it seems to be that they mounted 5 of them inside their shield. And they are just awesome. I'm in love with them. Got loads of videos about them, I'll put the link in the notes. So you grasp them by the fletchings and you just toss them overhand. Here I'm going to do underhand, kind of any way you want because they self-right. And they just always fall point down. They're just brilliant. So the Romans used to use them, as far as we can tell, for sort of throwing fairly long distance, in fact, because Vegetius, who has written extensively or wrote extensively at the time about the Roman army, said that they went about the same distance as their javelins, not the pilums, but the javelins. And we know that they did around about 80 odd meters, something like that. So these things really do fly. But the way we supply them is just the head only. We sell them singly and we sell them in sets of 5 where you get a discount. So it's just the head only, but they come with the plans to put an ash shaft on it and to fletch them up. So it's not too difficult a job, and if you can't do it, I'm sure you've got a friend who can. But they're absolutely brilliant. But why steel? Well, there are, of course, modern health and safety problems with lead anyway. But that aside, Plumbata were single-use items. You threw them at your enemy once, job's done. But if you have a lead weight on it, this steel shank here starts to wobble. The more you use it, the wobblier it gets. And, you know, if you pay good money for something, you're not going to want it to go wobbly. So this shank here is fitted in with a screw thread and then a little bit of blank shaft here, so you haven't got a weak screw thread, so they are tough as you like. So you've got a one-piece steel shaft and then the barbed head on here. And in fact, the Romans used to call them little barbs of Mars. Mars being the god of war, of course. I've made the head very, very slightly bigger, so it is, again, the same mass that the Plumbata would have been. Could you visually see the difference between this and a Plumbata? No, you can't. Will it last you one heck of a lot longer than a Plumbata would with a lead weight? Yes, it will. So my ones, steel weight, available on their own, sets of 5s, and they are just fantastic. Get some and find out how good they are. See ya.